Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. In The God of Small Things, the phrase, love laws, primarily refers to A. Religious customs governing marriage, B. The social rules determining who should be loved and how much. C. Colonial laws imposed by the British, D. Christian moral codes. The right answer is option B. Love laws symbolize the rigid social and caste-based restrictions that determine who should be loved, and how much. It is one of the central ideas of the novel. Next question. Which of the following correctly matches Arundhati Roy's work with its publication year? A. Listening to Grasshoppers 2009, B. Broken Republic 2008, C. Capitalism, A Ghost Story 2012, D. Walking with the Comrades 2009. The right answer is option A. Listening to Grasshoppers was published in 2009. Next question. Which character in The God of Small Things represents the victim of caste oppression? A. Chachko, B. Velutha, C. Stha, D. Kochu Maria. The right answer is option B. Velutha, an untouchable carpenter, symbolizes caste oppression and social injustice. Next question. Which essay by Arundhati Roy criticizes India's nuclear tests of 1998? A. The Greater Common Good, B. The End of Imagination, C. Walking with the Comrades, D. Public Power in the Age of Empire. The right answer is option B. The End of Imagination, 1998, is Roy's famous critique of nuclear nationalism after the Pokhran II nuclear tests. Next question. Arrange the following works chronologically. The End of Imagination, The Cost of Living, Power Politics, War Talk, A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 1, 3, 4, C 1, 3, 2, 4, D 3, 2, 1, 4. The right answer is option A. The End of Imagination, 1998, The Cost of Living, 1999, Power Politics, 2001, War Talk, 2003. Next question. Which Booker Prize-winning novelist influenced the narrative experimentation of The God of Small Things according to many critics? A. Salman Rushdie, B. Anita Desai, C. R.K. Narayan, D. Mulk Raj Anand. The right answer is option A. Critics often compare Roy's experimental narrative style with Salman Rushdie's postmodern techniques. Next question. Which literary technique is repeatedly employed in The God of Small Things? A. Dramatic irony only, B. Circular narrative with flashbacks, C. Strict chronological narration, D. Epistolary narration. The right answer is option B. The novel constantly shifts between past and present through flashbacks and circular narration. Next question. Assertion. A. Arundhati Roy's essays are largely concerned with questions of democracy and social justice. Reason. R. She generally avoids commenting on political issues. A. Both A and R are true. B. Both A and R are false. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option C. Her essays are deeply political and focus on democracy, capitalism, environmental justice, caste, Kashmir, and tribal rights. Next question. Which award did Arundhati Roy receive in 2002 for her contribution to cultural freedom? A. PEN Faulkner Award, B. Lannan Cultural Freedom Prize, C. Sahitya Akademi Award, D. Pulitzer Prize. The right answer is option B. Lannan Cultural Freedom Prize, 2002. Next question. Which publication immediately followed An Ordinary Person's Guide to Empire, 2004? A. Listening to Grasshoppers, B. Field Notes on Democracy, C. Broken Republic, D. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. The right answer is option A. Listening to Grasshoppers, 2009. Next question. Which symbol repeatedly appears in The God of Small Things as a reminder of childhood innocence and memory? A. The History House, B. Big Ben, C. Westminster Abbey, D. London Bridge. The right answer is option A. The History House functions as a powerful symbol of memory, trauma, history, and forbidden love. Next question. Which statement best describes Arundhati Roy's prose style? A. Victorian realism, B. Poetic language with linguistic innovation and fragmented narration, C. Classical simplicity, D. Scientific objectivity. The right answer is option B. Her prose is noted for poetic imagery, linguistic play, symbolism, repetition, and nonlinear narration. Next question. Which of the following is not an essay collection by Arundhati Roy? A. Listening to Grasshoppers, B. War Talk, C. The Algebra of Infinite Justice, D. A Suitable Boy. The right answer is option D. A Suitable Boy was written by Vikram Seth. Next question. Which publication year is correctly matched? A. Broken Republic 2011, B. Listening to Grasshoppers 2010, C. Capitalism, A Ghost Story 2012, D. Field Notes on Democracy 2010. The right answer is option A. Broken Republic was published in 2011. Next question. The title The Ministry of Utmost Happiness is best associated with A. A historical biography, B. A postmodern novel dealing with marginalized communities, C. A political manifesto, D. A collection of poems. The right answer is option B. It is a postmodern novel exploring identity, gender, Kashmir, caste, and political violence.